purpose of this video is to show you how to play a particular video using the Windows Media Player. And you can bring in your video using a memory stick or off of a DVD or a CD or whatever the media you have to bring it in, and then you copy it onto your desktop, which is the easiest place to use it. The first thing that you do is, let's assume then that this is the video that I've copied over from my memory stick, and you want to use the Windows Media Player to run it. So what you do is you put your mouse pointer on it, you right click on it, and you say open with Windows Media Player. Now once you choose that, one of the challenges is it will begin running it right away. So you want to make sure that you have no-show set up for the front projector. And then you want to pause this, you want to stop the video, and then play it again when you're ready to start it. So the key is that, or one of the nice things with this particular video is you don't have to have it maximized on this main screen, but it will be maximized on the projection screens that you're sending the video to. One of the challenges, though, is that it does not show up on the small monitor here we have on the side. You'll see what happens is we get an error message that says it's out of range. So for some reason that monitor doesn't support what we're doing, but our projection system does. So that's the number one thing. So open your video with, when you get the video, right click on it again, choose open with Windows Media Player. When you get the media player open, it will start right away. So ensure again that you have turn no show off so that it doesn't start up, and you have the sound turned off. Then what you do is you stop it, and then when you're ready to start it, you start up your video, and it will play properly. If you were to look up at the big screen here, you'll see it is now playing. The only other thing I'm going to mention about when you run this particular system, let's say for example somebody has taken this Windows Media Player and they have put it over on the other screen. I'm going to show you what that looks like. You'll see that's fine over there, but we don't want the people in the congregation to see all of these pieces. So the best thing to do is to take that and drag it back. Drag it by the top of the taskbar and drag it back over here so that when you play it, you get the maximized version shows up for the users or for the congregation. So the next thing that I want to talk about is making sure that you have some sound. I'm going to bring us back out again. So you can see in between the two monitors is a speaker. Right now you don't hear any sound, and that's for a couple of reasons. One is right now it's connected to the board. So the first thing that I like to do to make sure that my sound is working on my video when I do a test is to look at the speaker, and I see right away that it's not turned on. When I click the button on the right, it turns on the speaker. And of course if I don't hear it, then I would adjust the volume, which is on the left. So now I know that I have audio. I know that I have audio on the speaker. So now what I want to do is try to get that audio to come out through the main system. So of course somebody else is usually running the main system and they have it all set up for you, but for you to help them out, this is the little cable that plugs into here, and now anything coming out of this speaker will be fed to the main board. So the interesting thing is, I'm going to wheel you around so you can see the main board as well. The two channels that this is related to are the last two channels here. Of course they have to have the board turned on and everything set up, but these are the last two things, and you can see these little signal lights are going off, which are telling us that there is a signal that's coming into there. And so if I was to turn those on and boost up the volume, I now have it coming through the main speakers. So I'm going to mute that and put it back down again. So that's the main things you need to take care of to make sure that you have the audio working for your video.